here begs the question. Was my fucking mic off the entire time? This entire time I was talking, my mic was off. You just see me moving and no fucking sound. It's fucking terrific. Yikes. Well, I had a really nice philosophical dialogue about the stock market and how things move. That's unfortunately unrecorded. I guess that's the way life goes. You had to be here. Since nobody was, kind of fucked. I'm kind of fucked too. Because it was good shit what I was saying. I'm never going to be able to repeat it again. Maybe. Anyways, we're going back to the market. Here we go. Regional health. Roar Mobile. Let's go. Alright. Let's see if you can get a little access to what I'm doing here. I like the bar chart feature here. Let's see. Let me go back to Webull so I can log in without you seeing my credentials. You know, it's important to keep yourself safe in these internet days. Ooh, check passwords. No thanks. No thanks, buddy. Alright. Back to it. Back to the bar chart. Alright. Here's an interesting move right here. This is almost the kind of move that I like to do a little bit more so when the market's down and shit like it is for the last like month and a half, 2 months. Look at the decliners. If you guys don't do that, which I'm sure a lot of you do, it's pretty fucking common. It's really not like, you know, anything revolutionary to tell you to look at the declining list of stocks. However, good ranges, big ranges, high market caps, baby. That's what we're looking for. We're looking for some shit that's going to be, can pull us at least a minimum of like 20% by tomorrow. Or, I'm not specifying which time tomorrow. So, that's what I would like to see. Just keep our money moving so it doesn't stay stagnant. You know, times like these, I don't like to make too many fucking moves because the market is just like, that was a downward angle in case you weren't aware of my lines, but nothing ever goes straight down, right? So, let's see what else we got here. Okay. Spotify tech, dude. You know, I like these big companies, but shit, man. Like, how can you buy a big-ass stock like this with like the upside potential is so limited, right? I mean, what are you going to gain, 20%? I mean, I guess if it goes to like, fuck, $310, but it's extremely rare that that's going to happen. All right. Bentek. To be honest with you too, some of these I like to watch. Some of these stocks that have were previous gainers, previous days. If I see them down big one day, man, it might be nice to hold. Man, this company right here, YVR. Let's take a look at that on the board. I'm gonna give you guys a sneak preview of this bullshit YVR. Liquid Media Group. Oh man. Look at this bullshit. They don't have an analyst rating on it? I'll give you an analyst rating. Fucking 10 cents, dude. 10 cents, alright? This company was one of those NFT fucking poppers. You know, I don't know if you guys... Let me pull it back for you. So here at the office, we make ourselves a nice little list. The stocks we look at, you know, this is our NFT hot list. This was right when the NFT shit was starting. Everything. HOFV, TCAT, Dolphin, all that. The problem with those NFT stocks was like 80% of them turned out to be just utter bullshit. Like no, I don't mean the company is bullshit, but it's like bullshit news that they were related to an NFT. They might have even Maybe they had an N, an F, and a T on their website, and people just linked that together. I don't fucking know. I have no idea what happened. But, you know, that was one of the ones we got caught in. I got caught in, more specifically, YVR. I saw some initial profit right off the rip. Right when I think TCAT was the first one. That was the first one that I noticed. TKAT. That was one of the first ones I noticed popping related to NFTs. When that whole, I don't know what you could call that, debacle fucking happened. They should make an NFT for the NFT pop. You get it? But YVR shortly after, fuck this. We made some money on TCAT multiple times. That was a nice one. That was a real nice one. But right now we're just watching. We got Bloomberg on in the background, which, oh man, Bloomberg's kind of fucking boring, honestly, lately. It's like commercials, nothing. Let's turn it up. Let's see if Powell's still speaking.
Volume 9, Volume 26. Rose 916,000 in March, as the leisure and hospitality sector posted a notable gain for the second consecutive month. Nonetheless, employment in this sector is still more than...
Powell says sectors of economy most affected. The most affected sectors of the economy have shown improvement. I think that goes without saying, considering they opened things back up a little bit, right? So like retail, for instance, was fucked. Now it's a little bit less fucked because they opened things up. I don't see how that's like breaking news, and it's more or less common sense, right? You close a restaurant, not going to make that much money. It opened back up. You start making some money. I don't know, man. Maybe we're just fucking light years ahead of these guys. Maybe they're thinking. I mean, I'm talking you and I, of course, not everybody, but everybody watching this stream, which currently is nobody. But you and I, when you do watch this stream, those are the ones. We're light years ahead of Powell. Powell, he doesn't even fucking know. He doesn't know. No idea, dude, in fact. You know, the most off-putting thing about this beginning of the stream was that my mic was cut off. So now I'm going to have the first part. No one's going to continue to watch it because they're going to see me talking and they're going to say, oh, fuck. This asshole, his mic was cut off. Probably the rest of the video was cut off. Here's my question. Do you think there's a way to trim or edit these videos? I don't know. We'll figure it out. We're going to figure out along the road, man. This is a learning process for you and me. But I mean, whenever you guys see it, I wonder what you guys think of The Office. It's sharp in here. We have a shitload of monitors. Those are easy to do, easy to put in. But it's fun here, man. This is the boys' club. Girls' club, too. They can come. It's not allowed. Back to it. You know what I'm going to do? I'm going to spark one up. A little PAX. I don't think we're sponsored by PAX. I don't even know if we're allowed to smoke that. I mean, why not? I live in Illinois. It's legal here. Chicago. Represent. One of the things you guys are going to find out, too, eventually, just over repeated use, I do a lot of different accents. Some good, some shitty. Some I probably think are good that are actually shitty. Maybe that's how they all are. Fuck. Anyways, drop an F in the chat. Oh, man. But let's see. What kind of goodies can we get here, man? Helen of Troy Limited. All right, you've caught my attention. I need to know what the fuck that company even does. I'm not going to trade it, but I want to know. Who gave this an analyst recommendation here? Brad Pitt? Come on. Let's go to the profile. Cyclical consumer products. What? The company is a global designer, developer, importer, marketer, and distributor of portfolio brand name. Okay, so it's obviously just a fucking... What do they make? Portable heaters? Like, what the fuck? Beauty segment? Like, I don't understand, man. I got a wide range. Alright, I know the dry bar. They got a bunch of... Here, let me let you guys see what I'm looking at. This is that Helen of Troy. Jesus, man. Oh, these are all their brands? No, this can't be true. This is an excellent company to buy. If that's the case. I mean, all of these things are relatively decent companies. And decent, I mean, recognizable in terms of the brand is good. XO, I believe, is like a Target brand. It might even be in other places than that, but they're like, whatever. Their shit is, I wouldn't say good, but their shit is not bad. Widely known. Again, Hydro Flasks, same thing. Yuppie. You know, ting, 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 dinging the Hydro Flask around to fucking your sink. Braun, I think everybody knows Braun if you got a beard. Honeywell, we can go. Honeywell and pure water filtration. Oh, Vicks, come on. Everybody knows Vicks. Get a little bit of that shit in your nose, dude. Not the cocaine, the Vicks I'm talking about. That's like clears your sinus, you know. And then the beauty, last but not least, you know, mix all these companies together. What do you come out with? I don't know. No comment on that. I don't use any of these products, to be honest with you. I know Dry Bar because I see them around the city. Bedhead, I've seen it before. And Revlon, obviously. But anyways, that's my fucking spiel on Helen of Troy. I'm impressed. I'm going to put that, you know what? I'm going to put that in my notes. Put that in my notebook. Watch. I'm not even going to put watch. People are going to be watching a movie, Troy, with Brad Pitt. Second reference. Helen of Troy. So we're going to see about that one because it's got a lot of brands in it that we got to do some due diligence on. But I like companies like that. I like to wait for... I like companies that have like a lot of visibility. You know a lot of their products. All right, let's go back to the list, brother. Back to the big boys. Helen of Troy. Woo! Really got me going there. Yeah. Let's check it out. All right, man. So what are we looking at here? Bony melon. Interesting. I like this little list that they got here. This, I guess, is not so much of a screener as it is like a basic. I guess kind of a screener in a way. But this near high one, honestly, it's a nice one in Weeble. I don't know if any of you guys use Weeble, but I would recommend using that thing to break it down. But let's cycle back over to this fucking bar chart, man. We're looking at these down daddies right here. Dude, this one has actually been a nice one. The Skills Company. We've been playing this one considerably this week, especially one of the guys, Uncle B. I don't see his name in here now, brother, but he in here. Don't you worry about that. Slick. Slick. Alright, here's what we're looking at. What would be a good strike price for skills? Alright. Here we go. I like this chat living up here. I wonder what the delay is on the time me talking and me seeing the chat is. But yeah. What would skills be for a good option, dude? I mean, let's rip it up. To be honest with you, my favorite place for options, the simplest way to look at them, right here, Robinhood. But we can try it in skills, no problem. All right, let's check this shit out. Oof. Right, we gotta go back to this chart. We need a little insight. We can't just throw a naked call out there off the fucking rip. All right, hold on. Obviously, like a little bit of support at 1851. That's what it's looking like. I'd like to go back a little bit further than that, though. This is kind of weak. These support lines right here, you got nothing to hold it. You know, that mental thing for people is a big fucking thing. People see that shit and they're like, oh, we'll never go under that. And if you got loose support beneath you, you're fucked. Stock's going to keep going. I'm serious. But I think it depends on what kind of option you want to do. If you want to do a long call, I think you're going to have to do something that's like, you know, to me, I don't like to do anything longer than a month. I tried that before. I thought it was interesting, but to be honest with you, I think it's better to do it shorter because you get into something that you know is going to be good. You play something that you know has some decent upside potential, and you're okay bearing the risk. Because what happens with options, man, is you get a little bit of taste. Trust me, you get a 70, 80% gain on an option like right away, and you don't sell it because you have so much fucking time on the contract. If you have it like 3, 4, 5, 6 plus months out, you know, you're sitting on it. I'm good. And then all of a sudden that profit is just eaten away instantly. So I would stay away to that. I would stay away from that. But if you're going to do something shorter term, to be honest with you, skills, I got to say in the money. Because just the other day, this went up so high. We watched it, Uncle B and we watched it from, I don't know, $13.80 or $14, right around the turn of $14, shoot up to like $17 in the day. And now, look, it's hovering at $19, down 90 cents, 5% nearly for the day. Understand that. So that's a lot, right? I mean, fuck. You're looking at, I would have to do an $18 call, I think. I think that would be the only one I would do here. Is a $18 call for, I cannot do April fucking, May 7th. May 7th. If I were going to buy this call, I'm not saying that you should buy this call at all. I'm not trying to recommend a call for you or for anybody, to be honest with you. But what I am saying is, if the most appealing one to me would be that one. In my opinion, and it is for a lot of reasons. I mean, the delta on it is nice. It's got some pretty high IV, but I mean that's like par for the course, right? What are you gonna do? You're playing a stock that was just up a lot and it's down a lot. $18 call, 100%. I think. Like I said, I don't even know what the fucking legality is of me being able to say that. Like, I'm not a financial advisor. In no way do I have any sort of like expertise or any sort of like credentials indicating that I'm a financial advisor. So I'm not trying to advise you. Obviously, your own decisions are your own decisions. I feel like so many people say that now. You have to say it's because it's like the weight is put back on you. You tell me to do something. Oh fuck, I lost money. I shouldn't have listened to you. You know. You might have made money if you listen to me. So I see you in the chat over there, Uncle B. Don't you worry about that, brother. But I just don't chat back. I don't think it's gonna be. Usually you just respond this way. But yeah, that's what I'm looking at with the skills. But like I said, the problem is with skills high of, what is this? It's 52 week was 46 fucking 30 though. That's so nice. Fuck, that 1240 would have been the scoop. The scoop. Oh, Jesus Christ, it was just the other day. Raw after the weed. Fucking hell. It's a wild one. Let's see when this 46 was. All the way back in February. It's not that long ago, though. Okay. 46.30. I would wait. I think you could pick this back up for $16. To be honest with you, if I was looking at this stock, I have a hard time. This shit is gonna go. I think it's gonna go. I think it's gonna hit. Oof. Maybe the mid 15s, to be honest with you, or high, like 1578. Let's put a number out there. 1578. A weird number, right? That's not what I would put my order at, right? That's gonna be a cheap order. That's gonna be a fucking low order. You could if you want to, if you risk it. You don't want to pay attention, but yeah, I think that would be a good scoop because I think it's going to go down before it's going to go up. Ultimately, I think it will regain this 46.30, this 52-week high. I think maybe closer to like September, right? It's going to have like a little bit of a steady or something. It depends on how these games do, right? Skills is a good concept, but like they're kind of lagging behind. Let's see what their finances look like. Okay, let's see. I mean, let's go annual revenue, income, $230 million for 20. That's great. That's fucking terrific, right? 7.46 billion market cap, dude. That's not fucking right, is that accurate? That's fucking accurate. Are you serious? Okay, so Robinhood is saying 6 right here, billion market cap. Webull is showing 7.47. I don't know who to believe. Either way, it's over $5 billion market cap. Solid fucking company. However, the issue is look at companies like we talk about this all the time in the office, like literally. Zynga. Zynga's fucking low. Their market cap is higher. I mean, let's check it on fucking Robinhood to see what's going on with that. Let's see, Zynga. I got some calls. Fucking bleeding out my ass on them. Not really, but kind of. They're just some risky little babies. Market cap, yeah, okay. So it's fairly accurate. I don't know why there's a discrepancy between the two applications at all. I should check Thinkorswim, but oh shit. That's the point I'm trying to make. Let's take a look back over fucking here at the income, my friend. Right here. You see this shit? It's 1.97 total revenue. What does that say? 1.97 billion. What was the other one? Skills? 230 million? It's great, right? But I just don't understand the discrepancy. And I don't think, look at their 52-week high on this. $12.32 on Zynga. 12. It's at 11. Okay. Skills was how much? 46.30. It's at 18. What kind of games do you guys have over there? Like, people gotta have them? No. See, it's the trading in this day and age. I just started trading, so I literally all I hear is the older guys who are like, trading's different now. You retail kids, you don't give a fuck about the rules. So. Oh, you prefer Thinkorswim? Yeah, dude. Thinkorswim is that's the platform right there. It's a fucking nice one. But the retail trading has changed it a lot. Like these companies like Skills, why is Skills shot up more than Zynga? It's not merit based, right? It's literally just because fucking one is hot, one is not. That's literally all it is. It could be more than that, right? Like I'm not a genius. These are my predictions. These are my opinions of it. But that's all that I'm seeing is like, fuck. Why else would this company move? Let's see their website. Let's take a look. You guys are gonna come check this out with me too. This is how we do our due diligence. You check everything out. You sometimes, dude, I've been known around the office. I call these fucking numbers, man. I'll be like, hey, listen. There's like one we were looking at. The fuck was it? No, I'm sorry. Skills. We're gonna put a pin in it for a second. Come back to EVUS to talk about this story. Let's see what, because I want to follow up with this. Look at this like miniature penny piece of shit stock. Like, see, I can talk shit about this company because they're so fucking tiny that like, I don't even think they're real. They're not gonna fucking sue me. Fuck them. Anyways, personal vendetta aside, you know, from EVUS, let's check this shit out. Oh shit, it's not even showing me. What the fuck is going on here? EVUS. It'll only show the last website of. Doesn't even make sense why that's happening. But anyways, this is electric charging company from Chicago, right? 180 North LaSalle. I'm from Chicago, so I'm like, oh shit, I know exactly where that is. It's right by the Board of Trade. Fucking call this place up, being nothing. It's a fucking law firm. No way affiliated with this EV charging company. No way. Their website was defunct. They had nothing. Like now, I don't even know if this is a glitch. But like, look, if I go to Zynga, Zynga's website's down here at the bottom. Well, you guys can't see it because my fucking chat's over it, or my camera's over it. But the bottom line is, we called this place. We determined this company's fucking shit. They're not even in existence, right? They're a penny stock, OTC, probably OTCX. No one gives a fuck. So. Anyways, back to skills, man. The main meat over here, right? Embrace your inner champion. I'm pretty sure this is like obviously mobile games, but what do they got? Like really, this many people in the fucking country, or I guess world, play these fucking games? Like I always see these ads, like these shitty ass ads on like Instagram or any app that you play are on nowadays. They're like, oh, pop all the bubbles or see how long you'll last in the mafia, you know? All this stupid shit. Touchdown, even this one. The problem is, apparently a lot of people fucking play them. Enough for this company to make $230 million off it. I don't know what, off microtransactions. I guess that's the only way they can make money, right? I can't assume you charge for a game like that. Let's see what the fuck they say. Okay, players love. Dude, wait, is there like a way we can make money off skills? Like. Skills, the next evolution of mobile gaming. Our multiplayer competition platform brings tournaments and real prize to your players, boosting your... What? Fucking right, dude. I guess so you build a game, it looks like, of some sort. Players pay entry fees to compete in your game. Winners take home their prizes. Oh my god. I don't think you like build an actual game like fucking frames like I was thinking. Like I think it's you just like host the fucking game. Just getting too into it. Anyways, dude. Yeah, look at this. If I have a solitaire GameCube, maybe I'll like make some money for being the fucking host. The dealer. I don't know, man. Up Kathy Woods, man. What are you saying about Kathy Woods for skills? That's true, because she did buy a bunch of skills, but did she not own? Let's see. Does she own? Pretty sure she did. This ETF over here. Nah, fucking hold. Where's her holding, dude? Fact sheet, funnel, PDF. Here we go. Here we go. Do you see Spotify? I hope she fucking doubled down on it now because that shit is low today. What were we looking for? How is this list ordered, dude? Are you serious? Is this by market value? That's how it's ordered, of course. Of course, of course, of course. So I guess we're gonna have to just look for Zynga. I see skills right down here. How much does she have? Whoa. $104 million. I know I keep looking at the mic, but $104 million worth. It's not that much. It's terribly small, dude. 5 million shares? It's fucking broke. Broke bitch, Kathy Woods, dude. 5 million, you said? That's it? 5? Dude, I was over at Tony's in the Hamptons, dude. He's got at least 12 million. You should be ashamed, Kathy. Regeneron, dude. She's like, I heard Trump say it. Nano string? What the fuck is that? Nano Dimensions competitor? Yeah, she's actually got a lot of good. They have a lot of good ones. I know it's not all her, but she takes the glory for it, just like any CEO of a company. But yeah, I guess she doesn't have Zynga, or the fuck is the other one? I don't know. Glue. Glue, I think, is the worst one, to be honest. The reason why I think Glue is the worst one is because it hosts the Call of Duty games. I fucking love Call of Duty, but goddamn, I hate their servers. Yeah, plus, I don't even know what the fuck their stock does. This is like the most hideous thing to look at all day. Market watch. Getting notifications. Get out of here, Elon Musk, dude. No one cares. DraftKings. Ha! Dude, this list is good. Actually, to be honest with you, this is way better. Moonshot, not crypto. Get the fuck out of here. Direction. So let's look this shit up. Moon. Alright, first, I'm going to show you their holdings, and then I'm going to show you their performance. Their performance is great. And honestly, the smoothest for performance to show like performance over a long time to get a broad stroke is Robinhood. I like having multiple accounts. Like, I can't stress that enough. Like, you have to have multiple accounts. You have to have all of the fucking accounts. Maybe not all of them, but like as many. Like, I even opened a Charles Schwab account the other day. Even I don't have any money in it. I haven't funded it yet. Maybe like I'll put $1,000 in and see what the fuck happens. But the point is like, get them, they're free. Take it. Why not? Like, move it around. You never know what's gonna happen. Put money in different places and forget about it. Don't worry. It's money though. It's never gonna expire. You know, as long as you buy something safe, like a nice ETF. Like, come on, think about it. But this one, Moon. Direction is real nice, right? I think it's real nice. It's a new one. I actually talk about it a lot, but dude, I really like their daily funds. Here we go. Here we go. We're gonna check out the big boys here. Ooh, Zone, dude. I really like this. X1. I don't know how you say this company. I like, since I go based off the ticker symbol all the time, I make up my own names for everything. And it's like, this is like AMBA. We don't call it AMBA, dude. No one says, who says AMBA? This is Erie, E-R-I-I. We pronounce it like phonetically. You get me? Because this is blue, so once you do it one time, you got to do it all the time. That's it. It's done. ADAP over here. ADAP. Fix. That's how they wanted you to say it. You see, it's Homology Medicines. They're like, come on, man. Fix me up, bro. That's their thought process behind that shit. All right, so Nano Dimensions. This is a good price to get Nano Dimensions at, to be honest with you. I know a couple of guys were talking about it today, and it is a good price. I got a little burned on Nano Dimensions because I got it at such a high price comparatively to what it is. Relatively to what it was, not that high. However, comparatively to what it is, it was high. So, you know, can't do it. Plug Power, man. If you watch Mad Money, Jim Cramer is probably upside fucking down with Plug Power right now. He's probably doing one of his bye fucking crazy ass. Who even knows, dude? I love him though, Jim Cramer. Fucking awesome guy. I never met him. I'm not speaking from experience, but you get what I'm saying. It's fun to watch. So here's the key. This is a great fucking ETF, to be honest with you. Just like I was saying, let me pull this shit up. Moon. Let me pull up there. Let's go 1 year. They just launched, what, February, November? 25 bones, 40 bones. Solid 60% fucking gain, right? Year is not over. However, they were sitting at a what? Oh, 100% gain. Is that real? Because, you know, Robinhood sometimes be showing the shit. They're not actually accurate. They're probably one of the worst trading platforms, to be honest with you. They're pretty. I would say they're pretty. It's really easy to, like, find things. It's really simple. And like I said, for this kind of shit, I really like it. I really like being able to show, like, you know, this, I don't know, simple of a graph. You can just be like, oh, cool, 60% here, real simple. It's kind of like reminiscent of like how Google Stocks is. That's how I used to look up stocks when I first started. I was like, ooh, maybe I just Google the symbol. I'll be like XONE stock, and I'll look it up in Google and be like, oh, nice, real nice. So, you know, but I don't do that now, obviously. But yeah, so 5128 is the range from here. That was nice. So it's obviously because of their holdings. I think they switch them up more frequently. I don't know what the exact formula is of how often they like switch it up, but I know it's like much more frequently. They shift positions. Yeah, NNDM Microvision, mang. Boy, I love that one. Microvision, dude. That's a good one, though. Definitely a good one. Fucking glue. They have glue, too. Fuel cell energy. I could go either way with FCell, to be honest with you. I don't know how well these companies are going to be, like, banging it out, you know? Fucking $29. These are 10.53 it's sitting at. Let's see what this 1 minute is. 10.56. I mean, actually, it'll probably get back up there one day. We got to check these financials, though. What do they look like? Let's see what the annual shit is. $70 million. Total revenue. Market cap, $3 billion. Let's see, though. Is that accurate? Trade FCell options. Fuck no. We ain't about to do that shit. 2.97. I don't understand why there's a fucking discrepancy. I really don't. But if maybe they do their calculations at different points, like maybe they do, Robinhood does theirs at the end of the day. Like, look at this shit. 2.97 billion market cap, right? This is FCell, by the way. Let's go back over here to Webull. It says right here. Oh. 3.38. What the fuck? 297, 3.38. I don't understand how. It's like, I think Webull's is calculated like second to second as the stock price moves. And I think that Robinhood's might be calculated over a different period of time, not instantly. Because when the stock price moves, their market cap doesn't change. You know what I'm saying? Whereas Webull's, you will see change. Again, I don't know which one is the most accurate. I don't even know how you would acquire that information, which one would be the most accurate. Like what the official market cap is of a company. Aside from like, even let's check fucking Thinkorswim. $3.37 million market cap. Honestly, theirs is much more accurate, I would say. That begs the question. Let's see what Skills is. Skills. Skilly. Tom Skrillex, dude. I guess it is 7 million. I don't know why Robinhood shows like fucking 6 million. Oh, someone out there? Yeah. Mara, this guy's saying, all right. Let's see. What's the prediction on Mara? What are you thinking about Mara? What about it? Let's see. You think it's fuck. You talking right now about Mara? Yeehaw, cowboy! This shit is moving to the fucking moon, cuz. to the fucking moon, cuz. Here we go. Ooh. You couldn't really... I mean, in the morning, it would have been a scoop and a half. These things are nice to play with Bitcoin. We have to check what Bitcoin is. What's going on with Bitcoin. I'm sure it's going up for this to happen, but not... I mean, really, no. It's not drastically up by any means. 55,000. Not a bad... I mean, I'm proud of Bitcoin for holding above this $50,000 price point for so long. Like, it didn't go back to fucking 20 like it could have so easily. So easily. But yeah, Mara is fucking banging right now. Absolutely banging. Let's see what kind of news they have. What the hell is this shit? I hate when you get stuff like this. Like, what am I looking at even right now? It's just like word salad. Let's see Mara. Let's see what kind of shit they got in it. Oof. The lights are off. You know what that means. Last hour of the day here. Get the fuck out of here with that. Let me kick him back on, brother. Oh, man. Jerome Powell's still talking. We say no one should doubt Fed would move to contain inflation. Yeah, I mean, they have no choice besides to contain inflation. That's the problem. Because their lending is really based on people borrowing, right? So if inflation continues to rise, that means prices of the value of your dollar continues to go down. So you're fucked. What are you going to lend? Shit? You know what I'm saying? Like, even if you are lending a lot to people, you're still lending shit to people. So it's not worth it. So it's like in their best interest to contain inflation. Why would they not? But yeah, Mara's making a run for it. I think it might hit 40. Could hit 40. But before it's all over, it's going to hit 50. Don't worry about that. 57.75 was the high. That was nice. Let's see. Let's check out the Dogecoin, brother. Ooh, 30 cents though. Dude, see, I got this on a laser scoop right here. I should have sold it at 34. Yikes. I'm gonna hold it. I got shit in Doge. I got barely any. Like 4,500. Well, nothing. Shit, I bought it back in the day when everyone was telling me. It's alright. There's bigger, better, more beautiful biscuits ahead. That's just one of them. But anyways, I think back to what I was talking about. This moon. That's honestly the key. If you want to sit some money, that's what I think I'm going to do with my Schwab account. I'm just going to put like $1,000 and then just cool it on fucking moon. Let it rip, right? What else can you do? Let it sit. Let it see how much it's going to go. Add money over time. So you probably do a Roth IRA with it. Why not? But I was open to this world of investing, man, like 6 months ago, 7 months ago. And I was like, oh my God. It's like open the light. Like I can see how to fucking do things. How all these people do shit, you know? It's pretty ridiculous. It's pretty ridiculous that like people actually work with their bodies when you can just like, I mean, creatively use money to make more money. You know, I guess it's the hard part, learning that skill. But that's why I'm here. We're here to help, right? I'm here to learn with you. I'm sure you want to become independent. I'm independent. I'm trying to become independent, more independent. I think everybody wants that. Everybody wants that kind of freedom. And stock market's a big key to that. Stock market's definitely a big key to that. What else? What else is moving, dude? Pinterest on a steady decline. I'm pretty sure I set up a hard support from this one at $65. I don't know. Let's see. Yeah, $65. 65. Swifty 5. That's a 65. That's 60. That's maybe even heavier support. Yikes. Need to cleanse my palate with some of this here three-dimensional energy. I don't even know what this is, dude. It's like they're out of the Red Bull that I drink at 7-Eleven. You're in the hole on Mara? How deep in the hole? Let's go back. Let's go. Let's reassess. You couldn't have bought this shit today and be in the hole, brother, because it's going up. Unless you bought it just a few seconds ago. But Mara's a good one. As long as you don't have option contracts expiring this week, you'll probably be good. See YBR skills Zingus. All right. Let's keep this shit on. Backgrounding, baby. These advancers are still outpacing the decliners, though that number is swiftly changing. But I actually don't think the number is that swiftly changing. I think more of these fucking neutral boys are starting to come into play right here. So, what do we got? What do we got here on the top gainers for the day? Let's check the top gainers in the 5-minute move. All right. Fucker. Milando Therapeutics. Aurora Mobile Limited. Is that a mobile phone company too? Kind of sounds a little scary to me. See what the analysts say. I like to check the analysts first. Not always first, but the reason why I like to check the analysts first is because if there's no analysts at all ratings in it, I like that better, to be honest with you. I like to see something that doesn't have analyst ratings. Some of the best stocks that came out of nowhere don't have analyst ratings. So that's my tip. I'm not saying I don't like to review when some stocks have like 10, 20, or 15 analyst ratings. That's nice too. You can kind of see like what the general consensus from some of the smarter minds out there are, or maybe some of the more, I don't know, industrious minds. But, you know, that's the scoop. Just this rocket fuel. Well, we all need a little bit of rocket fuel, right? I think we call that weed around here, my friend. But yeah, this is a Chinese. You know, I'm getting skeptical of some of these Chinese companies that pop out of nowhere, to be honest with you. And nothing specifically because they're Chinese. The trend that I've seen, though, are China-based companies that I've been just like popping out of. Ooh, what the hell is this? Sorry, we're gonna sidetrack. BTX, baby, 86% up for the fucking day. What a dinker. What a dinkler. Wow. Formerly NTN Buzz Time? What the fuck kind of name is that for a cancer therapeutic company? They're like, Buzz Time, motherfuckers. Where are they based out of? Brooklyn, New York. I guess we could have gathered that by the name Brooklyn. Nice. See, here's one analyst rating, 550. What do they do? Reverse split? Let's check corporate actions. 326.21. It's just a 1 for 2. It's not like a big split though. I don't know, man. I don't know what the deal is, but I don't think they're. Ooh, they got the time though. They got the time. We're gonna watch this one. That's what we're gonna watch. We're gonna see what's gonna happen. How high this is gonna go. Let's see what the general consensus is. So this last candle was 40. Ooh, at the bottomed out. Bumped up to 46. So I think the general rules for stopping something out are like when it moves over a certain percentage, right? And I read that if it's stopped out in the last 30 minutes of a trading day, it does not resume trading. which I believe is not always true. I believe that's I have seen one per game in the trading day, but I think it's like they can or cannot honor the rules. You get what I'm saying? So like the movement is, it's like it's a small impedance. Like if the stock moves like I want to say like 10% in like a minute or 5 minutes or something like that. So, and a lot of times stocks will move like that, but they won't get suspended, you see. So I think it's like specific instances when they do apply those rules, but I think they generally cast out like a broader net by having the impedance very low so that they can stop it out when they need to. Much easier than having like a much more stringent criteria where something has to meet that exact definition of it. You get what I'm saying? So, Uncle B Antlers, brother. You got Mara real high, dude. 200 in the hole. That's not bad. I don't know how many shares you have of it, but what the hell is it even at right now? I can't look at these top gainers. My recently viewed biscuit. No, Mara's doing pretty good. It's at 37.49. I mean, even if you bought it at its highest price and you have 10 shares, that's when you would be down $200, right? $20 a share. So I think you'll be all right. I think Mara is a good one though. I think I'm gonna look for a price. Let's actually find a price on this Mara. It's just so hard for me to look away from BTX. I love these suspenders. We haven't had a lot of fucking suspended ones lately. Man, if you go back like 2-3 months ago, we were scalping in the morning, fucking all suspended, man. I picked for a whole week straight. Every stock that I picked would get suspended. It was so nice because we saw a lot of suspended. It's not that I was picking the ones that were suspended, although that part was nice too. But it showed that the market was like unusually bullish, which is what we fucking want as traders, man. That's what we want as traders. I mean, maybe some people, the bears out there, they're like, I like the slow pace. Like, even though I was just talking about ETF, but that was like the most aggressive ETF. Okay, so it's good to have bears. Better to have bulls, but you don't always get that lucky. So Mara though, because this shit I don't think is gonna get unsuspended anytime soon. Let's see, this fucking BTX suspend the old. So Mara, let's find a good buy price for Mara since this is going up. See, but here's the thing: is I'm trying to find the correlation between the two, right? Because they're kind of corollary. All this Mara, Riot, GBTC, SOS was until it got fucked. But all of those ones are basically in some way corollary with Bitcoin and cryptocurrency largely. I think more predominantly Bitcoin. So Mara, I don't know exactly how they correlate with Bitcoin. I believe that they're like a mining in some way operation. I don't know. Let's do the due diligence. Let's do it. Let's figure it out. Do you actually know? Are you investing in this company? Do you know what the fuck they do? Do you know where they're based? Because I do. It's 1180 North Town Center Drive, Suite 100, Las Vegas. I mean, that's good. At least they're on the first floor. Could be worse. It could be like Suite 300 and have to take the fucking stairs. They're like blockchain and cryptocurrency. Okay, let's get a little bit more in depth than that. Let's see what they say about themselves. They have to put this shit in here, right? Marathon Patent Group is a digital asset technology company. The company focuses on the blockchain ecosystem and the generation of digital assets. Okay, is operating one mining facility in Quebec with plans to open additional. Why Quebec? They like really cheap electric or something? I don't know. It's basic. It's a boilerplate template right here, buddy. Here's what we're going to do. We're going to take our eyes back off it for a second. Oh, fucking BTX is back open, baby. Back. Oh, bam, motherfucker. Shit, she coming back. 49. Dude. I think you already know, bro. It's going to hit 50. This shit is going to hit 50 hard as a... Oh, man, it's going to get stopped out again, dude. Why is it doing it? Why is it doing this so hard? Let's see. Oh, man. see if there's some news on it 16 minutes ago. On no news or catalyst, dude. Stop. We have no reason that it's rising right now, but the company is rising. A reverse merger with NTN Buzz Time. That's what I'm saying. I don't know what this NTN Buzz Time. Anyways, we're not chasing this shit. It's gonna hit 60. Don't worry. No, it's gonna hit 55 though for sure. So Mara is a banger, right? But we got to figure out exactly how it like relates to this crypto shit, man. There's no way we can like, because otherwise what are we tracking with? It just goes down or goes up, and we're either going to play it or we're not going to play it. We have to have some sort of indicator on like exactly how corollary these are, which we're never going to be able to nail down, obviously. All right, dude. They aim to build the largest mining operation in North America at one of the lowest energy costs. That's bold right there for sure. But I'm pretty sure you're not the only people with that aim. So we want to know not what you're aiming for, but what you fucking hit. All right? That's what you get paid on. Marathon helps you gain exposure to Bitcoin in your portfolio without having to deal with complications of holding the asset. What complications of holding the asset directly, dude? It's fucking wallet addresses. That's it. Yeah, like SOS, EBAN. SOS sucks. EBAN too. Fuck. That sucked. That report, dude, killed them. I'm bag holding SOS now. Thank God I sold most of my shares, though, earlier. Bagging the dizzy. The time for Bitcoin is now. He's like, Paul Tudor Jones said that. Which we don't know who that guy is. And mining, hash power is everything. That's true. Dude, wait. Excuse me? Mining is the engine that fuels the Bitcoin ecosystem. Sure. Marathon is on track to deploying 103,120 miners, which will provide a combined output of 10.3 exahash, resulting in an estimated 50 to 60 Bitcoin per day. That's fucking ridiculous. So 103,120 miners. But here's the question. It says Marathon is on track to deploying that. Like, on track meaning what? Like, if you were to say the track extends all the way to 20 years from now, we're going to have 103,000 miners. Like, you get what I'm saying? Obviously, they probably aren't going to go 20 years out from now because the hash rate would probably be nothing at that point. But I don't know. Does Bitcoin have a limit? Like, can you hit the limit of mine available? Does anybody know that? I don't know. So this is what I'm saying. We know how the mining works, but we want to see like what their fucking ability is. How? Show us some pictures of your rigs. We want to see the rigs, girl. Man, whatever. Fuck them. Boring marathon. But here, we're going to find a good buy price because that's what we initially set out to do before we started getting on this hunt. Obviously, that $27. God damn, that was a scoop and a half, brother. We should have been looking at it for both eyes. 59.29. Okay. That was a little hard rejection there. So here's what's going to happen. You got that 29.20, 24. That's the range we're playing with. This 29.20. Since it popped below that 27, it shot back over that 29.20, right? Gave it a little bit of gas because it could not. It's like, no, we are rejecting that bottom. This shit is moving vertically at a pace. When is it going to be moving down? That's what we want to know. We want to know when are we going to be able to pick this shit up a little bit fucking cheaper than this. It's $37, to be honest with you, is nice. But it's not that nice. Oh, sorry. I need to crack the old neck, dude. Nothing you can do besides crack it. So here's what we're gonna do. Set up the most likely fucking place. It's like mini's resistance right up here, right? Obviously, this is the biggest area of resistance right around this shit. However, think it might get shot down a little bit before that. Here's my prediction. I think $45 is possible. Honestly, I think this can hit $45. 43 maybe relatively soon. Granted, this has to mean Bitcoin has to touch over $60 at least for a fucking hour. And the contingency is it cannot touch over $60 and just fucking shoot right down, right? It can't drop to nothing. It's just that can't be. Because I don't mean nothing, but I mean it can't drop like super fucking low. So if it's gonna hit over $60,000, it can maybe drop back to like 58. And then it's gonna hit that $43 to $45 range. In my opinion. But after that, gonna ping down, dude. If we don't see Bitcoin hit like $65, $70,000, what are we gonna do, man? Marathon's gonna go back down, and that's when I think that we can pick it up. So this 27 and this 29 are like areas of support, right? So I think that if you hit the areas of support, like a little bit higher than those areas of support, I think you'll be able to scoop them, you know? In that range would be nice, for sure. And that's the point of setting up, like, a fucking solid buy order, dude. RVMD, boy. Big drop. Big drop on that shit. RVMD, Revolution Medicines. Let's see what it's got. 2.454 billion. The volume like on this 3.75 million. Let's see what their income is like. Annual income is, I mean, not terrific. But what the fuck happened to this drop right here? They had to do something, man, like some kind of share buyback or some shit. I don't know what is the news on it. What do we got, man? Tell us, RVMD, Revolution Medicines. What is the reason for your droppage? Why? We must know. I don't even fucking see it. Shares decreased by 11.65% to 645. What? That's not it. RVPH, RVMD. Which one is this cat talking about? RVMD. 19% to 34.57. Yeah, I mean, it looks pretty tasty. I can't figure out why it's dropping, though. We have to figure that out. Let's check Thinkorswim. Oh, yeah, this was one of my boys texting me about this one, so we're trying to see what, let me see if he can figure out why it's dropping, too. Be nice to know. I would imagine, like, a share buyback, they would have made, to some degree, some level of public knowledge, right? Oh. RVMD, man. Come on. Don't let me down. Think for whim. You're letting me down, Thinkorswim. Never gonna find it, man. RVMD news 1 week ago. That's it. We don't need 1 week ago, brother. All right. You know what? You're making me fucking do it. I don't want to do it. But we gotta go to StockTwits. It's a place of lies, deceit, treachery, and just general unease. But you know, sometimes you find some shit. What are you gonna do? Sometimes. Let's see, baby. Let's see what these guys say. Let's fucking check it out. All right, lock him up, dude. He knows something. Apparently, this drop seems suspicious. See, what is this? This is interesting right here. Peter Svens. I don't know if this. How do you even acquire this information, dude? Look at this guy, retired prostitute. So here's my situation. I bought a bunch of this. I'm down a lot. And my wife finds out. She checks my stock account every week or so. She'll leave me, and I'll have to go back to my old job. I used to get paid to have sex. What do I do? I mean, wow. Okay, I'm not even going to comment on that, dude. Just go get paid to have sex, bro. It's 2021. No one cares. I don't know, man. I can't figure out what the fuck is going on. I believe this RVMD might drop, though, again. Because it's almost like, in my opinion, bad news that it's dropped and there hasn't been any news to indicate. No catalyst or anything. Or nothing that I've been able to find easily. So, that looks kind of like unimpressive. And if this is fucking true right here, that this cat was saying, what the fuck is this guy saying? RVMD SEC Form 4 Peter Svensson sold 3,153,000 worth of the stock, which means that 3,153,745 divided by 34. Let's say fucking 59. Just give it an average price at this shit number, whatever the fuck it is. It's 91,000 shares. It's a lot of shares, right? Not that many shares, though. I mean, it is, but relative to the volume, I don't think it's like enough to put this stock in the fucking dirt. Although that was basically 20 fucking % of their average volume for the last 3 months. So yeah, I guess maybe, I don't know. This happened to Ruby a couple of days ago. She says, "Get out of here, fucking Ruby." Let's check Ruby out. Ruby Therapeutics. Peaks and valleys, huh? Anyways, let's go back to this RVMD shit. See what the fuck is happening. Alright, this is the thing I really dislike about fucking Stocktwoods. Like the biggest pump and dump fucking site you've ever seen in your life, man. So easy for 421, dude. I don't understand, man. I don't know, dude. No answers. Just shot and down. Sentiment is down 54%. Yeah, I think RVMD might be a wait. I gotta wait on it. I gotta wait till it's maybe at like 30. See what's gonna happen. I don't know. What else we got? Dude? Let's get another fucking interesting one up there. Let's see what these cats think. These cool cats and kittens. Top fucking gainers for the day, brother. Oh, it's a dismal list sometimes. Sometimes the list looks a little dismal. Let's see. We're gonna do these advancers, dude. We're gonna look at them now. I like to look at them in the morning, dude. The first like 30 minutes of the day. They're really nice indicators. I mean, it's nice to keep in your background too. I think bar chart has like the cleanest looking one, aside from like Weeble's, just like in-app one. But for some reason, I just like using bar charts. I mean, I think it's really like, it's just clean, to be honest with you. I'm familiar with it, so I've been using it for a while now, since I started. So, you know, you get in your old habits, man. You just like figure out what works kind of for you, and you just fucking stick with it. That's the plan. But I'm really interested in that RVMD company, but I really need to figure out what the hell happened with that move, because like their average volume is so disturbingly low. Their market cap is good, but fucking that kind of like dumb. And if that's true, if someone that Peter Svillenson or whatever the hell his name was did actually sell $3.15 million worth of his shares, I mean, that could have precipitated this drop. I don't know. There's 19% decrease in price. But to me, I would wait. I think I would wait. It's likely gonna hit a little bit further, because think about it. When something drops like uncharacteristically, like 20%, 15% in a day, and it's not related to other market conditions, it's due directly to that stock. Like let's say you're gonna do like a public offering of their shares, right? Or whatever the hell it is, or they miss their earnings or something, maybe not earnings, but something similar, right? They drop a lot amount, but you have a reason. There's a reason why that happened. There's a catalyst, very fucking clear catalyst, where they say, oh, that is what happened. So here, we don't have that. I mean, I checked, not that this is like the only source for news, but Weeble, Thinkorswim, all over these places, you know? So it's, and I don't see shit. All I see is like, you know, these intraday sessions. It's basically just indicating that they're down, which, no shit, we see that. We don't need a report, but we want to know why it's down. What the fuck happened? So I think without that answer, people are not gonna. It's not gonna pump right back up. You know, like if sometimes something drops, there's an answer. You're like, oh fuck it, let's eat this stock back up. Boom. But for here, it's going to cause trepidation in the market that, you know, people are going to be hesitant, I believe. So I don't know, if you have a buy order for it, let's see what its 52-week low is, $21. It's not bad, actually. Their 52-week high is 56. A lot of potential upside here. A lot of potential upside. Honestly, I think that I was set an order for... I would set an order for 29. I would set one order for 29 on this one if it were me. If I were going to pick this one up, and then I would set another one, I think, for, I don't know, a smaller order for sure at like $30.70, somewhere around there. And I would hold it at that price. Granted, I just kind of threw those numbers out of my ass. So let's actually look back some distance. 35, fuck. 35 is that, you know, a little bit of resistance right there, but alright. When does this company go public, dude? 2020 recently? Okay. Right at the pandemic, they were like, oof. Got fucked up a little bit. 33.97. Let's go, baby. Nah, you can scoop it cheaper. My gut's telling me 19, man. 29.19. Not 29.19. I'm sorry. I got you guys still on this page. Jesus Christ. Right around this 29 right here, dude. That's what I think for RVMD. But, you know, who the fuck really knows, to be honest with you. It's kind of hard to ever know where things are gonna go. Fucking Dogecoin, baby. Let's go. Let's go. Everybody loving the Dogecoin. Fucking Elon Musk calling himself the Doge Father. You know why? Let me tell you exactly why Elon Musk called himself the Doge Father. Because he's an old man, and he read the articles that were circulating of this guy from California, right, who made himself a millionaire in a few months by investing all of his money into Dogecoin, right? And he said he did it because Elon Musk. So Elon Musk is going to take the credit for that, of course, naturally. I mean, the guy basically just gave him the credit for it. But that's what happened. Try to claim that Doge status, brother. Try to claim that Doge status. So we're gonna see. We gonna see, brother. We gonna see. But Dogecoin it's a little bit of a mover. I mean, I feel like that's what everybody's looking at now. You look at all these live streams, and everybody's like, "Oh, Dogecoin." So, the Doge status, brother. Try to claim that Doge status. Man, let's check this out. This fucking Dogecoin. We're gonna see. I heard that somebody told me that the old markets, the guy who created this, developer or whatever the hell he was, he's dead. Who is this guy? This guy has so many followers, man. I can't believe it. What's the Dogecoin guy's name, man? Come on. That's Billy Marcus, dude. What the fuck? Is he dead? Let's look up Billy Marcus, dude. That's what somebody said. He said he died. Shibatoshi Nakamoto, that's what his name is. Get out of here. I don't know, man. Yeah, I don't know. I'm trying to read these here. I'll show you what we're looking at. Billy Marcus dead? I don't know. I don't understand what happened, you know? Let's see. Dogecoin creator dies. Let's see. Oh, Sporklin is his name. True Shiba. Is that what it says? Okay. Dogecoin. Dude, get out of my eyes, bro. Get the fuck out of here. You dirty fucking rat. Jesus Christ, dude. What the fuck is this? Like the worst pop-up. It's like porn in the fucking early 2000s. Man, everything's pop-up. Ben fucking Zynga, dude. Fuck you. Alright. Dogecoin core developer Sporklin died on Saturday after a hard-fought battle with cancer, dude. The crypto's co-creator Billy Marcus announced. Her death comes just a couple of days after her. Was her first name Sporkland or her second name Sporkland? I don't know. Calling Sporkland a true Shiba, Marcus noted on Twitter that Sporkland devoted the last 7 years of her life to Dogecoin in every way. I don't know what that means, but sounds like she was a true doji. Oh my God, dude. Are you serious right now? This ugly ass shit. Look at this, dude. Come on. The Doge Flame. That's ridiculous. This is, you know, nice that they did this for her. But the Doge Flame, dude, that's just too much. It's just like the wrong time, you know? My opinion. But Doge ain't doing shit. Let's go back to the board. Let's go back to the Weeble board, brother. Oh, BTX, man. We're going to see what's happening here, brother. Oh, Jesus. 54, dude. What did I say? 55? Fuck. Just missed it. That's it. That's it, man. This run is done. Hit the fucking fences. And it went back home, though. I think this was the first one that shot up, right? This is where it got stopped out. Yep, 56, 46. Could have squeezed a couple of bucks out of it. Maybe $7. Who knows? You would have had to been quick, though. Look at these bad boys right here. Yeah, man. See, this would have been the indicator to me. Bing. Fucking dragonfly right here. Or not even a dragonfly. But this, like, fucking doji right here. Doji right here. Doji right here. And then this one, even though it's not really a true doji, right? Like, it's not, like, in the general sense because it's not thin and flat like these ones. Even this one's kind of, like, stretching the term of a doji, you know? This is more like it. This is exactly like it. But this one right here is still the same general sense, right? Like the same as like the fucking fight between the buyers and the sellers is still there, right? One side might have won technically a little bit more than the other, but it doesn't matter. But to me, when you see these two, when you see this green one right here, okay, you had a lot of green coming up here. Of course, you're going to see some downwards momentum going here, and it shows good that there's upward momentum still pushing it. But now what it's telling you is this big green fucker right here. This downward momentum was strong as hell because it pushed all this shit. This basically not all of this shit, but equivalent strength, a lot of strength, upward strength, back down. Then you see a second one indicates, ooh, Lord, that's some more strength right there. Then you got this bad boy, stall, basically a stall. Basically, this is exactly where I would have sold it. This is exactly where I would have got. I would have seen this one moving. I would have been like, no, that's it. $51. Fucking out. And then you know what? I would have missed that 54.24, to be honest with you. I would have fucking missed that. I would have missed this. I would have missed that. But I would have saw this third doji. I would have got the fuck out, to be honest with you. I'm paper hands, man. I got the paper hands now. The problem is I got those little diamond hands. The fucking YouTubers were fucking, whatever these assholes were talking about it. Terrible idea, man. Terrible idea. It's like in some ways you win, some ways you bang it, but dude. Okay, we're gonna look at bingo right now. We're getting some bingo. Bingo. What up, Henry Valdez, brother? Dude. What about bingo? What's bingo doing right now? Bingo's just farting around here. It's 695, dude. VXRT! Let's see what the VXRT is. Let's see. Let's go. Alright. It's fucking moving, dude. Same thing. Consolidation. It's going to be sleepy, man. It was good. I think, I don't know if Biden talked too much today. I saw the Feds. I saw Powell talk. Basically iterated nothing. He's like, don't worry. If shit gets bad, we'll protect you guys from inflation. Obviously, you protect yourself from inflation because what the fuck are you going to do if no one can pay back the loan with their shitty-ass money that this is not worth anything anymore? Right? They make it seem like it's in your best interest, but we know. Wow, dude, this is a straight ride to the bottom. Let's see if it's going to hit this bad boy right here. This like 40 area, this 40, I don't know, 40, 50, 40, 90. But ping back up, dude. If this BTX can dink it, that'll be nice. Oh man, dude, this Brooklyn one is gonna be what's up. Honestly, I think it's gonna go back down, but I think in a few days it's gonna have another banger again. Like I think tomorrow it's gonna be terrible, and I think it's gonna have another banger. Dude, I'm telling you, people like these fucking. They pop out of nowhere. Like I don't know what the fuck happens, but they do it. They're like, oh, I need to play that one again. They banged it out there. Dude, their income is pitiful. Pitiful, pitiful, dude. They're like, oh, we made $5 million last year. Jesus Christ, dude. Doing what? What were you even doing? Like, you fucking sell pens? Like, company pens? Like, dude, down 70%. They're like, COVID, man, kill us. You're like, really? How? You know, yeah. Let's go to fucking. I gotta check this out, dude. I don't understand. Hold on. Let's switch you over to this shit. Look at this. This is their website, or their former website, NTN Buzz Time. Brooklyn Immunotherapeutics, formerly NTN Buzz Time. Scam, maybe, possibly? What the fuck? Because look, 2 apps to play. You got Buzz Time Go, Buzz Time. Like, why? Not to say that one company can't buy another company, but like, I guess I just have a hard time understanding where the shit is coming from, you know? Motherfucking, what up, Henry? You kicking it, bro? BTX Brooklyn Immuno, man. I don't know. It just doesn't make sense, this whole like information down here about it. From NTN Buzz Time, formerly NTN Buzz Time. So like we pivoted a little bit, honestly. Like we were hitting we had these apps covered so you can play games. They're like, but we decided that we should go into cancer therapeutics. Yeah, we're gonna read more for sure. We're gonna read more, dude. Yeah, let's see. Advanced neck cancer. Head and neck cancer. Okay, that's good. Maybe it's a big thing. But what did they didn't even like say anything about it. Like towards accusation of RNA, dude. This is like, it's like a separate thing. I don't even understand it. Like, come on, dude. Like, this just doesn't make sense. They're like, there's no like explanation. Like, if this were me buying, I'd be like, listen, I understand. We're a Buzz Time. Our name is NTN Buzz Time. We make a app for some kind of games, and it's weird that we're buying this company, but this is why we're doing it. Like, people want to know. I want to fucking know, okay? And if I want to know, I'm sure somebody else out there wants to know too. Who said looking pretty sus, bro? What does that even mean? You looking pretty sus, motherfucker. Talk about my chat like that. I don't know, man. Pays $1 million towards acquisition of license. Wait, what? It doesn't even like cover that, to be honest with you. Where are they based out of? That's not like, where was NTN Buzz Time based out of? That's what we need to know. Texas Hold'em. Yeehaw, cowboy. See, that's what I'm saying. They got this kind of shit right here. I don't know, man. This market's about to close, though. Dink, dink, dink. So we're going to see what else is boogieing in this last fucking 2 minutes here. We didn't wind up buying anything. I didn't really like anything that there was to buy, to be honest. Being a little stingy with it. A little stingy. Mostly because nothing was interesting, in my opinion. My definition of interesting, that doesn't mean you couldn't have made money, but, you know, I'm working with limited funds here. I do actually have day trades because I have my money split out across multiple accounts. Nothing we can do. Humble beginnings, my friend. Humble beginnings. Henry talking about Brooklyn, man. Thanks, man. I thought you were talking about me. I didn't mean to snap, honey. But yeah, dude, Brooklyn is definitely looking suspect, bro. Fuck that company. I'm not interested in buying it, but I'm interested in watching it. I'm telling you though, watch BTX. Just think Brooklyn. Anytime you think of Brooklyn, we go hard. The Beastie Boys, all that shit. Anytime you think Brooklyn, in the next 2 weeks, let's see, what's got left in today? Wednesday, Thursday, left in this week. Wednesday, Thursday, Friday. There's Wednesday. That's it. So, okay, by next Friday, possibly the Wednesday following that, all right, 1 week into May, you're going to see Brooklyn back up there again. Why? Who the fuck knows? Because all the assholes who bought the shares when it was high thinking that it was going to go even higher, they got to get in. So they got to make that move again. Like Shalimar says, brother. But, dude, Facebook earnings after the bell. All right. Let's see. I wonder what Facebook's expecting. That's the key. What are they expecting for Facebook's earnings? Something good, maybe. Hopefully, something good. Facebook. Here we go. Estimated $2.37 per share. Zoinks. What kind of dividends did this company pay? That's the question. Because if you're making money like that, motherfucker, you better give us some dividends. Let's see. Oh, Facebook dropping, dropping because this earnings preview. Watch it drop. It's not that much. It's only like 30 cents, really, but and that's it. You hear? Off to the races. Dividends? They don't pay any fucking dividends? You piece of shit. Oh, man. Dude, look at this. Hold on. You can look these people up. Jennifer Newstead, dude. What is she doing over here? Greedy. What is she cashing out? She cashes out the same amount every time? This is interesting. I never watched this shit. Jennifer Newstead, 426. Maybe she takes out a payment at 261.10. The fuck is 426 even mean? Maybe that means they issued 426 to her. Times 261. 100 grand she's taking out. Wow. Good for you, Jennifer Newstead. Newstead Jennifer. Let's look her up. Jennifer Newstead. General Counsel of Facebook. Nice. Not surprised that she's as white as sour cream, to be honest with you. I'm pretty sure everybody who works in Facebook ad management is pure white. They're what you call white folk with the hard H. Compensation, though. 19. What's up, Jennifer Gideon Newstead, girl? God damn. $19 million. Oh, shit. Girl, you get paid. I ain't gonna lie to you. What the hell, you work with Trump, too? How the fuck that work? I don't know. Anyways, she a crazy one. She taking out 426 shares every time. Just because she can. Yeah, man, the bar chart's gone though. Let's see. Let's head back over. Head back over to Facebook. Let's preview these earnings call, dude. The webcast is not started yet. Let's see. 2 p.m. So 4 p.m. It is 4 p.m. Central. It's not 4 p.m. Central, actually. That was live. It's 3 p.m. Central. I'm sorry, guys. Didn't mean to say that. Oh, man. All right. Let's bring it back over. Bring it back down. He'll be your butler, dude. I mean, honestly, $19 million. Wouldn't be a bad gig. Honestly, though, let's look at Facebook's financials here, dude. Let's see their quarterly reviews. So this is how we're gonna get a fuck, man. Dude, they make an insane amount of money. Jesus Christ. I don't know what their annual revenue is, dude. It's stupid. Do they not report like there we go, quarterly. So last quarter, year-on-year return, let's see what their increase has been. I mean, they've maintained some pretty steady growth throughout these quarters. I think they're going to beat it. 33% gain last quarter on quarter, bro, year-on-year. Fuck. They made $28 billion last quarter. Do you understand that? Or the quarter ending 12/31/2020. It's a lot of money. That's a 33% increase year-on-year. That's what I'm saying. Look at this steady increase. And the quarter before that, 21% increase. Quarter before that, 10% increase. Before that, 17. They're going to be fine. If they miss earnings, I don't know. I don't know how there are still this many people using Facebook. I understand that, like, I have this theory. It's a bad theory because it involves a lot of people dying, right? But it's not as bad as it sounds because it's like the natural course of things, right? Like they're going to die anyways. People are going to die anyways. But once an older generation passes away, a large portion of them, I think that Facebook is going to dwindle in use. I don't think the kids are using it. That's what I'm saying. That's what I'm trying to get at. So I'm not wishing, again, death upon anybody, but inevitably the course of life will just, fulfill itself out. And that's, ooh, they're popping, buddy. Come on, buddy. Come on, $3.10. 310. Oof. There we go. 310 bones. Let's see. That's really not impressive because it was 310 earlier this morning. So I guess there's just like recovering lost ground. But oh man. Oh god damn. Look at Facebook. Look at Facebook running. 319, baby. Look at that giant candlestick. God damn. Here we go. 322. Boy. To the moon. Man, dude. It's fucking slick right here, dude. This is moving. Let's go, baby. Honestly, this would have been a nice snack to grab, though. Fucking moved it real quick. Because look, this shit is almost... You're going to be gaining almost 30 or 10% here shortly. You got basically $10 more to go. Ooh. Just like that. No. She's got a lot of strength in her. Keep going. Here we go. Shit, closed at 307, bro. 310. 319, brother. 325, son. 326.44. That's where it's at. Oh my god, dude. This shit is going to hit 10% gain after hours. We're looking at 6 right now. You know why? Because I guarantee this. The same thing happened. Chris Hogan says, hey, this shit going to go. They're going to release their earnings. Everybody know that. They're releasing their earnings tonight. They look it up. They look at the past earnings like we just did. Right? What the fuck do you think they saw? The same exact thing I did. Like, this thing is banging it out. Facebook make a lot of money, man. There's no doubt. There is no doubt. Boy, eat that shit up. Come on. All right, you know what? We playing the after hours role a little bit. We just vibing in this chat right now. Hey, Henry, B. You tell your friends out there hop in this goddamn chat. If they ask any question they want to ask. I want to hear the critique. I want to know what they say. I want them to be like, man, I hopped in your friend's chat. That shit was amazing. He was so good. He was so funny. That was a good-ass chat. Or I want them to be like, no, dude. That guy was busted as hell. What the fuck you trading on? Some office, some shit like that? You a weirdo. Either fucking way. The nice thing about having the camera going, though, is when it's quiet in here, See if someone's sneaking over my shoulder. You're gonna try and kill me. You ain't gonna fucking sneak up on me, brother. But I'm gonna grind this weed on a little bit outside of the camera. You know? That way I could like at least abide by it. It's to be honest with you, it's not even illegal in my state. I don't know why I feel the need to keep iterating that, but the point I'm trying to make is Facebook. I'm gonna bang it out. It says bet. I'll link the channel. Thanks, Henry. Hey, put money in your fucking account, dude. Come on. I'm gonna keep telling you about it. Woo! Alright, we back. We're gonna keep the lights off in the back on this one. Let me know which one looks better in the chat. So, dude, let's see what the ads. I mean, fuck Facebook. We're watching Facebook, but and we can watch it, but we need to watch these top gainers right near. After hours, baby. Jack, Pacific, Galera. What do we got? APWC. First, I like to see something that I know, recognize. Qualcomm. It's a big move for Qualcomm, but Facebook too. Watt. Oh my God! Remember when we killed it on Watt? Thank God, dude. I sold that shit at $7. Bought it at $3 though, so it's right back in that little range. Oh shit! Align Technology. $635 a share. Dude, what the fuck do they do? Hold on. Side note. I'm checking this shit out. Markets a system of clear aligner therapy, intraoral scanners, and computer-aided design. That sounds big. Whatever y'all working on, good job. That's some big shit right there. Okay, that's some real big shit. This fucking rice brand, dude. Fuck is with this company, man? This one was a gainer. Like, look at this. Let's look at this shit. You see this peak, all these valleys. You see this shit. Now watch. Let's go back even further. Did the same thing even further. Bam, see what I'm saying? Bam. This was another one I was watching. I watched this shit bump up. It's right when I started trading, right here, right around this time. Yeah, let's say right around this date over here. So I noticed it pop here. Then I saw it again rise up to here. Saw it go back, rise up. I saw all these like little interesting things. And the whole fucking time I looked up the company, it was like nothing interesting, man. It was like literally, I don't even know. Like they literally make shit out of rice bran, right? But regardless, I thought it was a pump and dump scheme, you know? I mean, I'm pretty sure it's still in a large way kind of is. But I don't know. People like it. That's what I'm saying. I saw it multiple times on the fucking top gainers list. So, and the top losers list. So that's the point I was trying to make from earlier, is that you're going to see this shit come up again, undoubtedly. But let's go back. Let's see what the fuck we were looking at too. Jax Global, GRTX. Lucky 8s today, brother. Lucky 8s. Echo, no. I'm Cannabis. What the fuck is this company? Well, B Group. We had that one before too. Let's go to recently viewed. How's Facebook doing? Still banging it? Let's watch it. No, I think this is going to be it, man. I think that's it. I think that's all she wrote. Let's see. Ruby. Rice Brand Technologies. Back to the EVUS, dude. Here we go. This is the one I'm looking for. Skills. All right. Here's what we're gonna do. We're gonna put a limit order in my Weeble account. For skills, how many are we gonna buy right here? Let's go with 81. Sure, sounds like a good number. But 1862? What are you, nuts? Think I'm gonna pay 1862 for this piece of shit? Just kidding. I like the company, but I'm not gonna pay 1862 for it. What number was I talking about earlier? 15 something. We're gonna go with a 15 on this. Okay. Here's the move. I think 15. Well, let's do some research. See, look at this. How much under the VWAP this was all day. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. 1240. 15, baby. Here we go. Where is this? Where is it? Where is it? 1640. $15.70, baby. That's what we're gonna do. $15.70. Because that way, here's my line of thinking with that. Right here, if you want to look at like immediate like touching numbers of resistance and support, so support right here, you're gonna have this 1602 where it's touching, right? It's really not that strong of a resistance though. So like for me, I would move it to here. You're gonna get a couple of points of contact on your multiple points. You have this one, you have this one, and then you have this. I keep fucking pointing at it, and then you have this one over here, right? So you got like total of 2, 3 if you or you have a total of 3, 4 if you really want to fucking stretch it. All right, that's at 1640. I think 1640 is still a good price, right? So here's what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna drop that even lower to 1570 because the reason is even if it breaks, let's say it hits this 1640 and it says fuck you 1640, we're still going lower. We're still going lower. It's gonna drop all the way down to this 1445 area. And I don't want to be caught from 1660 fucking 1440. You get what I'm saying? I'd rather be caught from 1570 to 1440. It's a nicer range if that's what happens. Because then I can double down. Maybe not double down, but like add my position to dilute it. And I won't be as far away from one another. You get what I'm saying? I don't want to be caught at that $16 range if it hits. Because to be honest with you, the thing I was telling you before is this company is not as good as Zynga. It's not as big as Zynga in terms of financial wherewithal. It's not as strong of a stock that way. But so my mic is clipping. My mic's still clipping the whole time. I don't know, man. G-Box is at 10 skills. So I'm going to do this 1570. Let's do, no, GTC. Let's do extended hours, yes. We're going to set up stop loss at, oh, the fuck percentage is that? 10%, dude? What are you, fucking nuts? Limit price percentage. 1963 or yeah, 2503. Let's see. Let's not be greedy. Let's do 2403, right? That way we can get a little bit of a different number in case any of these other assholes are saying, what the fuck? $81, we're gonna do, yeah, let's go back to 81. It's a good price, it's a good number. I already have a limit set for skills. Are you fucking nuts? Yikes, dude. We're gonna replace it. For 120, I even have a bigger one? Jesus Christ, we're gonna fucking not. No, we gotta change this shit. Create new order. Fuck that. Cancel. Here's where we're gonna set it up. But now we're gonna increase our wager because we just freed up a little bit of cash. There's a large gap between the limit and the. Of course, there's a large gap. I'm setting a limit order, man. What do you want me to buy it at the fucking price? The market's not even open. First of all, shut the fuck up. Good till canceled. Take profit. Let's go, baby. Let's go, baby. Let's see what we can do. Hakanashi. Bam. The Hakanashi is nice, but I like to review the individual candlesticks too. So the Hakanashi is nice to find greater overarching trend, but these dojis right here in the Hakanashi, a lot of times they're good to compare, right, against one another. A lot of times the dojis though are inaccurate. So for me, I like to do a blend. I like to bounce back between them though. Gamble that bitch. Skills 21 May. $21 strike 19. Okay. So you're saying May 21st call. Strike price 19. That's a fucking good one. It's fucking good. Hey Henry, is my mic still clipping? You said it's clipping. Let a motherfucker know if it's still clipping. You know? Drop anything in the chat line that says your mic is still clipping or your mic is not clipping. Maybe I have to fuck with the gain. I don't know. Let me see. See if that changes anything. I don't know. Call. Of course. Of course. I would hope you didn't have a $19 put on skills. But even though a $19 put probably wouldn't be bad right now. Let's check it. Let's check it. When is it going? You said May 21st. Can't do April. We're going to do May. See the put. Let's see the 19. What do you got, a 21? No, you have a 19 strike, right? Strike price 19, baby. Yeah, you would have made some money on that today, 17%. This is a banger right here. Honestly, dude, you know what we have to explore doing? I was talking to one of my buddies about it the other day. We have to buy shares that we like to hold, man. And I'm pretty sure, like, this is not even, like, come on. I'm not inventing this idea or saying anything about that. But I think we need to start implementing it. Is when we're holding stock for a long time, we need to be selling contracts. And the reason we need to be selling contracts is to collect this premium, right? I mean, you think about it. If you buy 1,000 stocks of something, if you buy 1,000 shares of any stock, right? You can sell now 10 contracts. You say every month you sell 5 contracts, you collect the premium on 5 of them. Because, by the way, it's largely easy to collect a premium on 5 stocks. It depends on the stock, depends on which one you're holding. But the point is we can mathematically decide, okay, I have invested $5,000 into this position. Okay, and this position of 5,000 has given me 500 shares or 1,000 shares. How can I use these 500 or 1,000 shares in a way that does not reduce their value and instead increases my income from it, right? And that's the whole idea of selling contracts, and that's the whole idea of collecting premium. And eventually you can do the math, man. Think about it. You have the ability to sell 10 contracts a month. You sell 5 of them and you do $50 a contract, let's say, only. It costs you $5,000 for your initial investment. So you do $50 a contract, multiply that times what? 5, because you're only selling 5 contracts a month. So $250 a month you're raking in from that, right? And your initial investment was $5,000. So at that rate, how is it going to take you? fucking 20 months, you know, a little under 2 years, and you're going to pay that off. You're like gone. You basically, your $5,000 investment is now free. Effectively, I mean, you have to pay taxes and everything on it. But the idea is that you're replacing the cost of your initial purchase by using those shares and covering those calls or those puts. And the idea is to just collect premium on it, man. So, yeah, that's something I got to explore a little bit too. It's not necessarily out of the question, you know. It's slow money, but if you're gonna let shit sit, why not collect money that way? Yeah, man, covered calls, dude. That's exactly right. You got to. Everybody's doing it, man. I'm pretty sure the rich dudes, the big ballers, shot callers, all these guys, they're doing that shit. There's no way they're sitting here just like fucking 100,000 shares sitting in their account just like doing nothing besides go up in value and down in value, up in value and down in value. You know, like really, it's the best way to mitigate not wanting to sell your shit, right? So the idea is if you're going to hold a stock for, let's say, 2 years or a year or 3 years or 10 years or however many, for a long period of time, right? You're, at some point, you're going to see it go up, and then you're going to see it come back down, and then you're going to see it go back up, and then come back down, up, down, right? A million times. This is what's going to happen. Your value's going to increase, decrease. But you're going to think, fuck, why shouldn't have I sold it here and then bought it back here and then sold it again here and then bought it back here, each time increasing your share size, right? Which you can do, right? It takes a lot of skill. You're going to pay taxes on it in the way, capital gains taxes, short-term capital gains taxes especially. You can do it that way. But it's like, think about how much easier of an idea it is for you to just use the shares that you have, let them fucking sit, let them touch, let them roast. Let's just like make money off of them. And it's not quite as easy as it sounds. You're probably going to get called out on some of them. You're going to have to give up some contracts. You're going to have to, so they might get exercised. But listen, if you make money consistently doing it, think about this. You never have to give up the shares, you know, and you can just increase. Anytime your position is down, increase your holding of it. And that's the way to acquire stock, is you want to just have more, right? Because it's hard, to be honest with you, to have a position go up to here and then sell it and then buy it back here and then sell it again here. You might do it once or twice and then you might get fucked up and you might not be able to grab it again. You might just be low and you might not be able, it might just keep going. You might not be able to miss the train, or you have to play a different range or something, or you move on to a different stock. There's thousands of stocks. You know, how long are you going to stay and fuck the same stock? Ford Kitty dumped after they beat earnings. Ford Motor Company. What happened to Facebook? Did they release their earnings yet? Facebook still 5.5. Let's go, baby. Let's go. Boring. Let's see. What is Ford F? Let's. Ooh. They beat their earnings too? Wow. What happened here? Fuck is it? 52-week 1362. 52-week low is 452. Pretty bad, man. Pretty bad. Not bad, but there's just not a lot of range there, especially from where it's at right now. Yeah, man. Let's see what else is banging out in the after hours here. And Jack Pacific, both under 8 again. Galera, Echo Tech. I can't do these small market caps anymore, man. High movers, but you get fucked. What is this, Cheesecake Factory? I like Cheesecake Factory, but it's a little too rich for my taste. You get what I'm saying? So, I don't know, dude. Did my camera just give out or something? I saw the light turn off on it, so I'm wondering. Anyways. HAWWWWW, dude. What the fuck is up with that stock? This Cobar, dude. This ridiculous analyst rating on this. They're like, it's a buy. 6 analysts rated. 583. What was its high? 425 was a 52-week high. The volume is absolutely pitiful. 52-week low is 85 cents. I guess realistically, that's not a bad deal, though, because it's like so fucking close to its bottom price that, like, how much lower can it go? Even if it goes to 85 cents, you're only going to lose. Still probably 100% actually, 50%, but close to at least. 85 cents was recent actually. That's impressive. What happened? Did this fucking stock split? 2015 was the last time. 110, 2019. I don't know, man. I don't understand what happened with this. Let's see if there's a split recent. Yeah, man. 425. 425. That's a big fucking range right there. So from 430.20 to 8, so 4 months. I don't know, man. I don't know what the fuck this company does. Let's look it up. Let's look it up, man. Let's do our due diligence. Key executives. Menlo Park, California, dude. I feel like I've never been to Menlo Park, California, but I feel like a lot of like douchebags, but like the hipster of variety, you know, with like fucking mustaches and shit are there. Just you know, being tools, man. That's how I feel about Menlo Park, to be honest with you. I don't know why, but something about the name makes me feel like there's guys who are like, yeah, bro, we work on some good technology here. Like, yeah, just like those kind of douchebags. Clinical stage biotech. Dude, I'm so tired of trading biotech companies, man. So tired. It's like they're literally all over the streets. Like, how many drug companies are there in this world? A lot. They're all on the United States fucking stock market. Look at Cobar. Breakthrough mitochondrial science. Let's see their pipeline, man. Come on. Everybody got a pipeline. Ooh, potential indications. Oh, sorry. I'm not showing you the deals, man. Targeting chronic and age-related diseases. What, are you going to make people younger? Like, how's that going to work? Fucking fibrotic diseases, cancer and other diseases. Preclinical. CXC4. Okay. This outlook right here, not great. A lot of preclinical shit. A lot of clinical shit, though, is in phase 1B. They see what they do here? They got real tricky with it. They put the preclinical in the beginning. They put like all these ones like right here, phase 1A, 1B. They made it look like they're like almost at the end, because that's how it looks like if you're on like any other companies, right? They all show you this stupid fucking pipeline of their drugs. And usually it's preclinical right here, and then you're going to get your phase 1, and then in phase 1 there's going to be usually 3 different phases of phase 1, and same thing with 2 and 3, okay? And then those are going to be over here. So they just tried to trick you, piece of shit. Because like this, what is this preclinical right here? Like, look how beginning stage of preclinical it is. And then they're not, like, this is not even phase 1 is all the way over here. Like, this is like, we just thought about cancer immunotherapy. We just had the idea. We had an idea, and we're thinking we're going to go with it. And we're getting preclinical. We haven't shown up to the clinic yet. We haven't done the work, but we're getting there, you know? So, I don't know, man. This NASH obesity, that's CB4211. I don't know what that means, man. There we go. Insulin receptor. Insulin receptor. That's what it is. Yeah, so it's a relatively boring company. I mean, not. I guess some people would probably disagree, but they don't really have much going on. Everything's still very, very like. Watch. We're gonna go back over to their income. We're gonna see how pathetic it probably is. Oh, no surprise. What does that say right there? $0. Okay. Oh, still $0. All the way till 2019. The reason. They guess what? You guessed it. Never fucking. They don't have a drug. I see their balance sheet. Let's see how much investment they're getting from the outside. From the outside community. 2.9, 4. Okay. Their cash on hand has fucking dropped dramatically. Nearly out of cash, you would say. Comparatively, I mean, they had $12 million. What did they have last year? $12 million? Last quarter. But apparently they spent it, you know. Okay. 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 It's make or break for these guys, dude. Really, like, truthfully, they have like no fucking other option, man. Like, it's. There's literally no way the stock is going to go up or like increase in any way if they don't come up with one of these drugs soon, dude. Like, the problem is it takes so long. Like, I don't know about this one, dude. This is going to be a hold. I think COBAR CWBR is going to be at this 130 range, this one, you know, like this $1 range for some months, man. Because they're not going to have any positive news for some months. So you have to take that into account. Let's see what one of these, like, let's see what fucking, I don't know, stock would say, dude. I like to search everywhere. When I do my due diligence on a company, man, I see what everybody said. I want to see what the people in the fucking street say. I want to see what the people online say. I want to see what, like, analysts say. Everybody. I want to know everything, man. In the whole fucking world. Primarily about a stock, too. So that way I can inform my decision. So StockTwits is no surprise. They're basically just pumping other stocks on this website. Let me take you on a tour with me, man. I'm really bad at switching these back and forth, but that's what it is. Let's see what ticker symbol. COBAR. Is that how you say it? COBAR? Like it's COBAR? Let's see what TradingView says. Yeah. You know why? This is the indicator right here. All you need to know. Fucking low market cap, bro. Scary. You get burned. You get burned. You get dicked down on a low market cap. Not even a fucking joke. Anti-aging stuff. I don't know, man. I'd stick away. Alright, what do we got? What do we got? Let's go back to this after hour scanner here. This fucking Jags, dude. William Metz. Again, another fucking teeny market cap, dude. This is RFP, though. They're pretty decent volume, but what's the fuck does this company do? RFP. Paper. Okay. Interesting. Cheesecake, dude. We'll do it, man. Look at this. What do they have? Earnings today? See a little E right here. What the fuck happened? Based out of Calabasas. At Drake's house. Wow. It's fucking nice. Let's scoop this one right here. Cheesecake Factory smashes their fucking earnings, man. Total revenues were 627 mil in the first quarter of 2020. Wow. Actually, fuck. Dude, they're gonna ridiculously beat it because they beat their quarterly earnings, their first quarterly earning, 2020, which really was not that hard to do because think about it, they barely beat it. They had $627 million in the first quarter of 2021, and the first quarter was 615 for last year, and not half, but like almost a third of the quarter was like trimmed off at the end of there because of COVID. So they barely beat that, which is not surprising because things are still relatively not the same that they were before COVID, right? In terms of business for the restaurant industry. But I think that they're purposely doing, a lot of these analysts are purposely like, because think about it, where the fuck do these numbers come from? Who's basing these? Who's like, I'm going to guess how much money they're going to make based on how much money they made before, how many people are out and about in the public, and all this bullshit. Right? So that's what I think. I think they're shooting low numbers for them so that way they can like kind of beat it and it'll give them a little bit more of a boost. You know, kind of help these businesses out in a certain, maybe they have holdings in it, whatever the answer is. But I think that's what I think there's like a little bit of intention behind it. I don't think it's necessarily just like a fucking random occurrence, you know. So, but who knows? Cheesecake Factory. All right, what do you want to see here? What's the party plan? You're saying Facebook? Not Facebook. Apple? Apple had their earnings today too? Oof. Call that a green one? The fuck? Dude, it's like seconds away from they ate that entire thing up. Look at this, dude. This is so interesting right here. Look at this. Between 133.58 and fucking 138, dude. I don't even understand what's happening. Oh, it was seconds away, dude. Look at that. Dude, it's like can't tell if it wants to be Darth Vader or fucking Luke Skywalker. Oh, yeah. How do their earnings do? Let's see. U.S. stocks, Wall Street ends lower. Oh, dude, here's the Facebook one, finally. Fuck yeah. Let's start this piece of shit video. Get the fuck out of here with these pop-ups, dude. God damn. Wednesday 1st reported. Yeah, dude, look at that shit. They fucking smashed it. Monthly active users. I mean, that didn't grow as much in regards to that aspect of it. And daily active users was like barely, like it was basically the same. But dude, their advertising revenue was fucking great. That's what really like fucking. I mean, that's like pretty much their entire revenue. I don't even know what that other $1 billion is like. Where they make that from? Look, their total revenue is 26, and their advertising revenue is 25. So like not even like 0.7 billion they make in, I don't know, some other ways. But yeah, so I don't know, man. What the fuck is going on with Apple still? We're gonna bounce back to that shit. Look at this. Oh, that candlestick stopped, but it was doing it too. I don't understand. That must mean the spread is like disgusting. Let me check what the spread is on Apple. What is Apple? APPL or AAPL? It's AAPL. Jesus Christ. That's how I never trade this piece of shit. Yeah, it's got a tight spread, man. It's got a really tight spread, but it's loosening at certain points, but at some points not so much. Yeah, dude, Facebook is definitely mostly based on ads. They got their, that's like, that. I'm pretty sure that's the core business model. If you ever want to watch a show, if you want to understand the way the fucking tech industry works, dude, in like a solid way, like really understand the way it works. I mean, granted, it's still a TV show, so you're not going to be like gaining any real world like actual footage or anything, but it breaks it down in very like simple terms. So if you have an idea of how it works outside of that, paired with this of a visual representation, you're gonna really understand it. And it's called Silicon Valley, dude. It's a fucking great show. But they show you the rise and fall of like tech companies, right? How they get outsourced. Like once you get a buyer in there, man, once you get an investor to invest in you, they're pushing to monetize it because they want a return on their investment. So that's what happened with Facebook. I mean, Facebook got investors as well. Mark Zuckerberg, what do you think? He had the millions of dollars to do this himself? Fuck no, man. At the beginning, Facebook was nothing. It was like a big app. Everybody used it, but they were like, all right, cool. You have to pay for a lot of server space, and you have to pay a lot of fucking engineers, software engineers, to like continue to develop and, you know, like lay out the architecture of the site. So that costs fucking assload of money. So he had to get investors. He had to get people to be like, yo, dude, I need some help. I'll sell you a percentage of the company for money. And what do you think they're going to do? You think they're going to be like, cool, man, just keep building this little Facebook thing where people can just like see their grandmas and their pets and shit? No, they don't give a fuck about that. They're like, dude, no, man, I just gave you $200 million, all right, for like 5% of this fucking company. So that means we need to do something. We need to move your ass. We need to build some shit that's going to make us money. Ads, bro. It was the most natural thing. That's what happened to everything. You ever notice Instagram? Instagram didn't have any fucking ads until Facebook bought them. So that's the shit I'm talking about right there. That's what this whole fucking purpose is in existence, to be honest with you. But I don't know, man. Let's see this monthly active user shit. No. Man, they're always grilling these guys, dude. I feel like these Senate hearings are never going to amount to anything, to be honest with you. I'm referencing this portion of the article right here. The earnings results come a day after Facebook, along with Twitter and Alphabet, were grilled in a Senate hearing about how their platforms share and disseminate content that can be construed as false or misleading. Dude, 100%, man. It's like there's more of a fault on the public, though, in that than there is on those companies. Because, like, companies are going to prey on people. Like, there's no doubt about that. I believe that it's wrong, but it's going to fucking happen. So you have to educate. Like, listen, if these companies were trying to prey on the people and the people were so smart that they were like, it's never going to work, bro. These companies would either have to get more creative in how they do it or they would just stop doing it. You get what I'm saying? It maybe not stop, but it would become less. People just wouldn't get fooled as much. So I think that the push should be on education for these fuckers. But what are you going to do, man? But yeah, Apple was a little, it was a big popper right here, I guess. It just kind of banged out. But it's really not doing much. I mean, it is, but Facebook too. Facebook died off after that. Absolutely died off. But yeah, man, everything outside of that is fucking banging. Glue Mobile. I can't stand those gaming companies, to be honest with you. They're so fucking dumb. Those phone game companies, like I just think about like the company that made like Angry Birds, you know? And I feel like that's like the core of these fucking companies. Like I understand they make more games than that now, but I feel like they like that like paved the way for it, right? Let's see who the fuck Angry Birds. Who makes that game? Who did make that game? Rovio Entertainment. Okay? So now we have to see what happened to Rovio Entertainment, right? Because they would be the owners of the game. Did they get bought? Well, they're publicly traded. They're a fucking OTC company. ROVFF. Okay. Check them out, dude. This is not their fucking shit, dude. Come on, show me this. Oh my god, what the fuck is that? Like the lowest amount of volume possible? I don't know what this means. It's like, what do they make, like one trade a day, dude? Like literally nobody trades. There's no volume. The average volume is 11. Can't even fucking buy any of this shit, dude. Fuck this company. I'm gonna delete that shit from my fucking watch list. Get out of here. Don't ever fucking come back. Rovio, fucking Angry Birds. Yeah, brother. Talking about 8-ball pool? Yeah, hell yeah, that's the game. I don't know. Hold on. We're gonna look right here, bro. You talking motherfucking skills, right? Who does the 8-ball pool? Is it skills or is it Zynga? No, it's Zynga, dude. Gotta be Zynga. Oh my god, I don't think it is, dude. I think it might have been the other one. Oh yeah, Zynga Poker. Skills. I think it might be this one then. Activate rewards, dude. Get out of here. Here we go. Here we go. Brace your inner champion, dude. Oh, fuck. Dude, 20K game developers. 30 plus million players. Is this real? They have 30 million players? The fuck was their income again? Skills? Makes a lot of sense. Don't know his income. Real nice. Fucking wanko. Alright. Says, yeah, fuck that game. This motherfucker. It's like, fuck that pool game. Is this pool payday right here, dude? This is what you're talking about? Let's check it out, dude. Let's check it out. Get out of here. I'm fucking playing this game. Pro Pool, Ultimate Able. Dude, how many fucking pool games are there? Pool payday. More than your opponent, win cash. How do you like? How is this not gambling? I don't understand how these games like you can play these games. It's not gambling. Pool payday. That's what I'm saying, dude. These motherfuckers don't count them out, bro. Don't count these skills out. These guys got 30 millions of fucking players. Millions. Earn a living doing what you love, man. We'll do it. What does that even mean? Playing games, you earn a living? It's fucking awesome. Dude, so I still don't understand skills. Like I'm having a hard time grasping this. I don't think that they're actually like a fucking... Yeah. Okay. Now I'm getting it. 8-ball pool is mini clips. I don't know. So, alright, let me direct it back to the Weeble here. So here's the thing. This fucking skills, it provides monetization services to game developers through mobile esports platform, the company. So basically a platform, and you do bring your games, dude. That's what I was thinking originally, and then I thought something else. But no, that is right. The company's principal activity is to develop and support an online hosted technology platform that enables independent game developers to host tournaments and provide competitive gaming activity to end users. Companies engaged and operate a marketplace that connects the world through competition. Fuck all that shit. But goddamn, dude, that's a big thing. Including 1.5 million paid entry daily tournaments offering over $100 million in prizes each fucking month. Wow. Damn, dude. So it's like $60 million monthly prizes. Why you say 100 million then, brother? Your website say 60. Look at this. Wah, wah, wah. They're like, we reduced this COVID, brother. Hey, we ain't got that kind of money anymore. It's a lot, though. A lot of people. So it's like, so here you go, Uncle B. If you want to create, here you go, brother. Got you a game right here. Blackout Bingo. You want to create a game like that? You're gonna make some money. Pool payday. What do we say? Mini clips, dude? Is mini clips publicly traded? Oh, you're right about that, Henry. It is motherfucking mini clips, dude. Oh, dude, of course. Mini clips. Its own 8-ball pool. Here we go. Mini clips is owned by Tencent, though. Tencent recently had some good bangers, dude. $20. Why is it showing me some other fucking... There we go. Dude, I had some big volume days the other day, right? It's boring, though. Tencent's a big-ass company, though, man. They own a lot of shit, bro. It's an investing holding company principally involved in the provision of value-added services. Get the fuck out of here. It's like the most basic description you could ever think of, dude. Wait, what skill's that, honestly, dude? If this price... Come on, 1870, you piece of shit. Go back down, brother. I need my shit. Alright, man. Fuck Tencent. Everybody say fuck WestJet. Wow. Yeah, dude, Tencent owns everything, bro. Actually, I want to see, like, what they do own, to be honest with you. Employees, business, consumers. It's hard. How do I find this? Pretty sure I can do it through this. You know, your teachers would say you can't do it, but there we go. Video games, bro. Teamy Studios. Yeah, man. They own League of Legends, it says. Previous Call of Duty titles. They own League of Legends, man. That's impressive. League of Legends is, like, I think the biggest game in the world, honestly. Partly owns Battle Royale games. such as Fortnite, PUBG, and Ring of Elysium. Fuck. They dipped their dick in like every game right in the beginning. They're like Battle Royale. Immediately came out. Fucking Fortnite, Battle, PUBG, and then Ring of Elysium. Ring of Elysium was a good one. PC only. Not a lot of people played that game, but it was fucking good. I think it was made by a Taiwanese company. Thailand? I don't know. Let's see. We'll check it out. Oh, that's right. Thailand right here, motherfucker. No, that doesn't indicate that it was made there. But it was released exclusively in Thailand, which means it's probably from there. Anyways, man. I'm going to be signing off here soon. Go to the old cousin's crib. Figure out some more about this stream. Oh, man. Dude, I hope my skills order gets filled, man. That was a good call, B. We should have bought that shit when it was $14, man. No, should have bought it when it was $14. We done slept on it. Slipped on it. Dude, is this for real? In after hours? Oh, man. Hold on. What the fuck happened with this company, dude? 1016 dropped down to 480? They had to do a fucking split or something, bro. No split. What the fuck is up with this? ADVM. ADVM. That's the fucking, what do you... Yeah, man. A lot of fucking action going on with this. ADVM. I'm sorry. I'm texting one of my guys about it now. Trying to figure out why this fucking dropped. Let's see, man. 50 minutes ago, Adverum Biotechnologies provides an update. Diabetic macular edema trial. Okay. Let's see what the fuck that means. Adverum, dude. Here we go. Let's see. All right, cycle back over here with me. Oh shit, we got one live coming. Hold on. Later, Henry. Yo, Aziz.
Hey, yo, people live. I broadcasted already before you, brother. Let them know Aziz got in before you.
Aziz got in before me, brother. You the smartest man.
You know what I'm saying? Hello live. I was gonna text you that too. See, I just got on the phone. My guy, I let my brothers know too.
You just bought it right now?
Bro, I bought it like 15 minutes ago. Then
Yeah, I hear you. I'm listening.
So I bought it. I saw it drop to 420 something. Then, dude, I bought. Then I could, dude. I was trying to make moves. That shit jumped back to $5, bro. Then I had to wait. Then I was able to get it on Andrew's account for like $470 something. And I had to call B. I'm letting them know that I wanted to know that if what was the other thing I needed from B again, options, because I want him to figure out what options we could buy tomorrow, because the option is going to be the best play.
Yeah, man.
So put it on your live stream, man. Boost it up, man. So
I'm talking about it right now, brother. You on the live stream. The motherfucking mic recording your ass right now.
All right, that's great. So y'all got to get in on the motherfucking options. All right.
So I know it's good, bro. I'm putting it right now. $379, brother, or $479. We're gonna hit it. What price you got in at?
For for myself, I got 480 something. Yeah, 480 something I got in. But I'm gonna watch throughout the night because I said, oh, I'm willing to sell some of my other stuff just to jump in this one, you know?
Got you.
It's a 480 something I jumped in on Saj's account. I got a 470 something. My other buddy got in at 494. But we're trying to figure out what the option call would be. But I'm thinking about at least.
Here's what we're gonna do, brother. We're gonna go over it right now. He says Z's always coming on some juicy. Yeah.
Yo, Crispy.
Yeah. What's up?
I got a karate class with Ziad. So
All right,
I'm
bro.
gonna call you I'll call you later tonight.
All right.
All right, but let me. Did you do like whatever? I'll be interested to know. Okay.
Yeah, I'm gonna figure out the option right now, brother.
All right, thank you.
All right, later.
Dude, I commented on your stuff, brother. It was nice. It looked great.
Hell yeah, thank you, dude. Thank you.
All right, no problem, dude.
All
I'll
right,
talk to you.
later. That was Aziz coming in live on the trade line, brother. All right, let's switch back. Hold on. I don't know why I'm showing you the ad variant one here. We gotta see it. All right, what do we got in cash on the Weeble here? ADVM. All right, man. We're trying to buy it again. Double down. Hey, Henry, put a fucking order in for ADVM, man. B buy a couple shares, too. We need everybody. 486, man. I'm in the green already. All right, let's buy. Buy. Put a couple in Weeble. Like I said, man, I don't know how much I want these people to... So let me further actually fucking read this article before I start going into it. Let's get over it. You're gonna come over it with me. Whoever the fuck's in the channel, I don't know if anybody's in the channel, but if you're in the channel, you're going over it. If you're in biotech, announces a suspected, unexpected, serious adverse unexpected serious adverse reaction of hypotony, clinically relevant decrease in ocular pressure. In its Infinity clinical trial evaluating gene therapy, the company has decided to immediately unmask the trial to better understand the safety event in order to manage any similar potential risk. It said that it's also conducting a thorough review of data. The safety event occurred 30 weeks after randomization in one patient treated with a single intravitreal injection of high dose. Hold on. Yikes, loss of treatment in the fucking loss of vision in the treated eye, dude. That's terrible. All right, we're going to find out what the fuck hypotony is, man. That sounds awful. It's usually defined as intraocular pressure. Wow. How do you treat it, man? This is pretty wild. Treatment options include argon laser, photocoagulation, cryotherapy. So, Jesus Christ, dude. Not a lot you can do, huh? Alright, man. Doesn't sound that good, but... let's go back, see what they got. Here we go. Adverum Company Pipeline. Yeah, this is what I like. You see, preclinical, phase 1, phase 2, phase 3. We got a lot of. It's kind of not that good though. Which one was the one that got fucked up? ADVM 22. This one right here. It's not good, man. No, not gonna tie up all my money in it. You know, I think it's a good one, but I don't necessarily know that I need to do it in all of my fucking accounts, donkey. I'll buy another 300, dude. Let's go. Limit order, baby. Day extended motherfucking hours. Man, I don't know. It's looking pretty though. I'm up 25 bucks on it. Not bad. How? I don't know to even fucking stand out. All right, let's see, 427. Let's set another order for. How do we add more, man? Yikes. I don't know what the fuck happened there. $427. We'll go 423. Let's go actually 428. By quantity 100. 120. Go, baby. All right, guys. Anybody who watched the stream, man, I really appreciate the support. I'm glad you guys were tuned in, stayed this entire time to hear me fucking ramble. I hope it was somewhat interesting. I hope it, most of all, was informative. I hope you learned at least a thing, one thing, if anything. You know, so. It's beauty chatting with you.